Welcome to The Man in the Middle. I am your host, Bill West. Today we're going to be talking about She-Hulk, Attorney at Law. Uh, I'm going to tell you right now, it's probably not what you're expecting. So uh, I'm not going to talk about if it's woke or not. If you want to talk about that or hear about that, there are plenty of other channels. I'm going to talk about whether or not I liked it and what appealed to me and what didn't. Okay. We're 2 episodes in. Not much besides how she became the Hulk and the ramifications of what happened. And she's publicly now the Hulk. Spoilers. uh, Everybody knows she's a Hulk due to her hulking out in the middle of a trial. It's cute. I'm enjoying the show. Like I said, whether or not it's woke, I don't know. Is it appealing to a female audience? Probably more, but I, I I've enjoyed the comic run. I'm not a big fan of She-Hulk. I like John Byrne's take on it. I liked her in Fantastic Four, but I don't have any collection of her. I don't have any Fantastic Four issues with her in it. Uh, that's a story for another time. But overall, I never really collected She-Hulk or the Fantastic Four overall. I mean, I would pick it up uh, if it hit me. But that was way back in the. I think if I was going to, it would have been during John Byrne's run. I might pick up some graphic novels or trade collections of those runs. But I enjoy seeing Bruce again. It's nice seeing the intelligent Hulk. Although it would be nice to see him unhulk at times. I don't know if we're ever going to see Bruce Banner by himself again, but we're seeing the Hulk, or the intelligent Hulk. Uh, the story, they're in a they're in a car accident due to a spaceship that just happened to show up in their way when they're driving, and some of Bruce's blood got into Jennifer, and that caused her to have the same mutation that he did, and she hulks out. She's still. We're not seeing a very savage Hulk or She-Hulk. We're seeing a more intelligent, probably more intelligent than Bruce's Hulk. She's still carries a lot more of her personality, I believe, than Bruce does. Probably because she didn't get as much of the gamma radiation or what caused the mutation to Bruce. The training montage is cute. There are some, you know, D moves on either side. I really don't want to say the word. I don't want to get in trouble. Uh, Bruce tries to puts her in a room with a bunch of saw blades, and she runs over with. He's in Hulk form, and she runs over him with a jeep. While it was a D move, I think he could have stopped that truck with one hand. Uh, you can see where Bruce is sort of, he's upset about it that he caused this to happen, but he's not alone anymore. There's somebody else on this planet who has the same mutation that he does, although she seems to be able to control it, which I think is, they're trying to say that she's a better Hulk. I think it's because she's didn't get as much as he did. Her it's a diluted form, so she's not always the rage monster that Bruce is. And then we see her in the courtroom, and they're saying you know how to win this is to Hulk out. This is later, and she's like, I'm not going to do that. That's wrong. And Titania comes crashing through the wall and picks up a bench to throw at the jurors. And of course, Jen has no choice but to Hulk out and uh, save everybody. And this gets on the news. Everybody learns who she is. She gets then she gets fired because being a DA, everybody would be like, I don't know if we can trust her not to Hulk out, or what if she decides to threaten us with her Hulk powers. So the DA fires her, and she gets hired by this corporation who is defending metahumans. And her first case is Emil Blonsky, the uh, annihilator. I can't remember what it was, but I don't remember his character name, the character name of what he turns into. But Emil Blonsky uh, is her first character, her first case, and he they have a tit to tit, heart to heart, and she decides she's going to join right after, or right after he breaks out. She calls her boss and says, "Yeah, I'll take the case. I'll join the company." And he says, "You better check the TV." And she turns it on, and we see him in his cage fighting from Shang-Chi. So it was the second episode was shorter. Uh, I like the family scene where she went home and the interplay byplay with her and her father. That was I liked that. Everybody else was sort of nasty to her at dinner, but her father was like, we already have one Hulk in the family. It's not going to hurt to have another, and what can I do to help? And it's really nice seeing that kind of byplay. He's a good father. Uh, the after credit sequence or the mid credit sequence is pretty cool. It shows her helping around the house in Hulk form, or She Hulk form. I get the feeling that this is going to be some short episodes, which is going to. This one was only 20 minutes. I mean, the first one was 45. This one's 20. I mean, you're looking at an hour so far. I don't know how many episodes. I haven't really looked. So it's hard to say. I'm enjoying it. It's for what it is. I like lawyer shows. I love Ally McBeal. I like comedies. I like sitcoms, and if they heal more towards the sitcom format, I think I'm gonna like it. Like I said, if you want complaints about it or talking about talking about how woke it is, go somewhere else. This is my channel, and I'm enjoying it. I mean, it's not like I've enjoyed everything that Marvel TV has put out. I didn't care for uh, Winter Soldier and Captain America Winter Soldier, or Falcon and Winter Soldier, whatever. I didn't watch Ms. Marvel's. I kept hearing it wasn't for me, so I decided, if everybody wants to say it's not for me, then I'm going to, I'll bypass it. From people who like Cameron Pasha, he enjoyed it immensely. Uh, I might go back and see it. Young kids, young ladies enjoy it, seem to enjoy it. Women, seem to enjoy it. Me, maybe I'll like it, maybe I won't. But right now, I'm not interested in it. That's another thing. What If I didn't watch it all. Let's see. Hawkeye I enjoyed. I like Hawkeye. I like Jeremy Renner. So, uh, despite a lot of people complaining about it, I did like it. I liked it enough to where I'm ordering that. I haven't bought it yet, but I'm going to order that the graphic novel or the trade run. Let's see. Loki hit and miss on episodes. WandaVision I enjoyed a lot. I like early WandaVision more than the end. I enjoyed the whole, through the decades TV. But this one, we're still into it. It's still a little too early to say. Right now, I'm enjoying it. We'll see how it goes. I'm Bill. I am the man in the middle. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or drop a comment down below. If you really enjoyed this video, why don't you subscribe to the channel? Every couple of days I talk about something cool. Let's see, the last couple of days I talked about books. I talked about House of the Dragon. A lot of books. uh, but I do a lot of music reviews, movie reviews, television, uh, books, uh, action figures. Uh, the rule of the channel is whatever I think is cool. So hopefully, what I think is cool, you might think is cool. You guys take care. I this uh, this is my last video for the night, but you'll see it early Saturday morning, and then I hope to catch up with you and see you tomorrow afternoon. You guys take care.